You set the alarm for 5 in the morning. You fail. You bleed confidence before the sun even rises. This is a slow poison disguised as a cure. Waking at dawn will not save you from a mind already at war. The internet told you to conquer the morning, to conquer your life. Now you just feel inadequate, staring at the ceiling, wondering why you are losing. But the battlefield does not care about the clock. Chanakya dismantled entire empires, not by waking early, but by waking with lethal, calculating clarity. Today, we dismantle the 5 a.m. myth, forge your inner citadel, and weaponize your first 90 minutes. A king shall divide the day into 8 parts and strictly assign his duties. Chanakya used unyielding time divisions to ensure the Mauryan Empire ran with ruthless, bloodless efficiency. Your empire is your modern career, your daily grind, and it demands the exact same discipline. The hour you wake is completely irrelevant to your success. What matters is the first 90 minutes after your eyes open. This is your initialization sequence. No phones, no emails, no external demands. You do not check notifications, you load your weapons. You command the first moves on the chessboard before the enemy knows you are awake. Are you letting your rivals dictate your first thoughts of the day? Take absolute control of the protocol. But even a perfect protocol collapses if your mind is breached, which brings us to your ultimate defense. He who loses his composure loses the war before the first arrow flies. Ancient strategists knew a fortress falls from within long before the outer gates are breached. Waking at 5 a.m. means absolutely nothing if you immediately invite anxiety into your bedroom through a glowing screen. You must build an inner citadel, a stoic fortress of total solitude. Protect your morning mind with absolute aggression and extreme prejudice. Whether it is 5 a.m. or 9 a.m., your mind must be an impenetrable vault when you wake. Let the weak world scream outside. You remain silent, untouchable, and lethal. You are securing the perimeter of your sanity. We are building an army of focused, unbreakable minds. Type the word Citadel in the comments right now if your morning belongs to you alone. To defend the Citadel, you require absolute silence. Focus is a kinetic weapon. Arm yourself with blank-out headphones. They block the noise of a weak, distracting world, leaving only room for your strategy. Link below. Equip yourself immediately. Now back to the strategy. An arrow shot by an archer may or may not kill a single person, but stratagems devised by wise men can kill even babes in the womb. The Arthashastra prioritizes the brutal quality of the strike over the arbitrary timing of the draw. Stop fighting your natural biology. If you are a nocturnal predator, stop trying to be an early. The 5 a.m. club is a hollow marketing gimmick designed to make you feel inferior and sell you books. Shift your focus entirely from what time you wake up to what you execute. Align your deepest work with your highest energy states. Why force a clumsy morning assault when your personal army fights best under the cover of darkness? The king shall review his forces and fortify his camp at the close of the day. Ancient kings did not wait until morning to plan the war. They sharpened their swords and drew their maps the night before. Your morning routine is actually a myth because it truly begins the night prior. The hidden truth is this: a victorious morning is simply the violent echo of a ruthless evening. Decide your 3 critical targets before you close your eyes. Wake up, execute, no hesitation. You have now secured the morning. But what happens when the chaos of the afternoon tries to break your defensive lines? You protected your morning, but the war is not over. Next, you must protect your entire day. Master time blocking right here.